So in Tai Chi, following the raise hands movement, we do a move called shoulder shrike. So the leg movement is very simple for this. I'll just show that first. Beginning in the back stance, you're just going to turn 45 degrees, planting the right foot down at a 45-degree angle. So both feet will be parallel with each other and pointing to the corner. And shifting your weight to the right foot, leading with the right shoulder here. So it's like you're pressing your shoulder up against a door. Adding in the arms. So I'm in this raise arms position here, the 7-star stance. And I'll show you 2 ways of doing this. So the first way, as you turn this right hand, so the forwards hand is going to scoop underneath, and the left hand's going to come forwards and up. So it switches positions here. So this end position here, it's similar to a hold the ball position, but the top hand has the palm facing outwards. So it's like you're leaning up against a door. So showing that variation once more, shoulder shrike. And you could even reverse from here and repeat the movement. The second way of doing it is to roll back first. So you're going to open up even more to the left. As you open, the palms will turn to face each other. So hands parallel. We're going to sweep down. Right hand's going to scoop underneath. Left hand's going to circle around and press to the side. Once more. Second variation, rolling back. Shoulder shrike.